Okay, so here in chapter 3 element selection folder, I have your third lecture, attribute selector.html file. In this lecture, I am going to show you how to use attribute selector to select a DOM element in your HTML page. So in line number 5, I am simply saying contains method. So I'm going to change this title to attribute selector. Okay, and then in line number 6, I am simply loading jQuery library via this script src tag, and from line number 7 to line number 10, I have here selected document, calling a ready method on document and assigning a callback anonymous function there. So this callback anonymous function will get executed when document is fully loaded inside browser. Now in body, I have already a button there. The ID of this button is btn and the label of this button is click me. Now just after this button, I'm going to have your line break. After this line break, I'm going to have a div right there. To this div, I'm going to assign a title attribute, and the text of this title attribute is "this is title." I'm going to assign bunch of CSS properties as well via this inline CSS style tag. For example, I'm going to say float CSS property set to left. This float left CSS property will simply turn this div from block to inline block element, and then I'm going to say set the width of this div as 100%, and then after I'm going to assign some text to this div like hello world, I am div. Yeah. Or whatever text you want to assign, you can assign here. Now inside this document.ready function, I'm going to simply select the button via ID. So I'm going to say hash btn. Sorry guys, must be enclosed within double inverted comma, and then going to assign it a click event handler function. Now inside this click event handler function, what I'm going to say that select the div with title attribute. So in order to pass the title attribute along with this tag, I mean div, we will use here bracket notation and pass the name of attribute here. So look this selector. First of all, I am selecting div. So this will select all the available divs in this page. Actually, I'm going to simply copy and paste this div once again so that I can have here two divs, one with the title attribute and one without this title attribute. Okay, and then here I'm going to change the text as hello world. I am actually second div, and here I am first div. Okay, sorry guys, first div. Now look this selector here. First of all the divs are selected. I mean these two divs are selected, and then this attribute selector is simply selecting only that div from the body which has title attribute. So this div is the div having title attribute. This particular div will be selected and this will be skipped. And then after selecting this div with title attribute, I'm going to say .html. Now what is the meaning of this .html method here? This HTML method will simply grab every HTML content inside this div. So if I simply pass this script inside alert, so all the HTML contents inside that div which has title attribute will be displayed in alert box. So let me go ahead, run this file. Okay, now if I click this, look, hello I am first div, hello world and first div is there.